Winter storms can range from a normal snow over a few hours to a blizzard with blinding, wind-driven snow that lasts for several days. Many winter storms bring dangerously low temperatures and sometimes strong winds, icing, sleet, and freezing rain. One of the main concerns is that winter weather can knock out heat, power, and communication, sometimes for days at a time. Heavy snowfall and extreme cold can have serious effects on an entire region. Icy roadways can cause serious accidents, and sometimes people die from being in really cold temperatures for too long. Before. So what can you do before a winter storm? Build an emergency kit, make a family communications plan, help your parents sprinkle sand on sidewalks and walkways. This helps to make them less slippery. Make sure you dress warmly and have extra blankets, and bring pets inside. During. Stay inside. Sidewalks can be very slippery and you can hurt yourself if you fall. If you are outside helping to shovel snow, make sure you wear a hat. It helps keep you from losing body heat. Mittens are warmer than gloves. Cover your mouth with a scarf to protect your lungs from the cold air. Put on dry clothes as soon as you come inside. If you can't feel your fingers, toes, ears, or nose, or they appear pale white, tell a grown-up. Tell a grown-up immediately if you can't stop shivering, having trouble remembering things, feel tired, or talk funny. You may have hypothermia, which can be very dangerous. After. Continue to wear layers, a hat, scarf, and mittens or gloves. These will help to keep you warm and protect you from frostbite. Am I at risk in the United States? Almost everyone in the United States can be affected by winter storms and extreme cold.